got the gas turned off right now because I don't know if you can see in there or not. I'm gonna turn the gas on to the on position, and can you see that the float is stuck or a line is broke? I can't tell, but I got raw gasoline running out of there. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm thinking I've tried tapping on that carburetor and it didn't go back. It's looking pretty dirty. I'm thinking this is something I want to take off. Yeah, and I want to do it in the shop. I think I'll just load this four-wheeler up and take it to the shop, take it apart, clean that carburetor out. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Bill Goudy checking in. So far, this is what I've found. Yeah, got a mouse nest back here. I don't know, can you see that down underneath there? Yeah, they've been down in there, so it could easily be a line chewed. I don't know, we'll see. Come along with me. Let's check this adventure out, shall we? Yeah, it was leaking. It was leaking out of the bowl, so that means the float was stuck in. And you can see how dirty that is. I'm going to have to clean that up, take that apart. Will you look at that? That's all the debris I dug out of that. That was a mess. Yeah, I can attribute this to, rodents. I guess that's what I get for living in the country, huh? Hell, it's raining. It's raining out there, so I had to move in. I got the carburetor back together, and I just mounted it. It's not leaking. Got the gas turned on. Now it's just a matter of putting it back together. been a week. Do I dare move it? Or should I just leave it sit? I'm in no hurry to move it. It looks good. I don't see any dead ones out here. Anywhere where I can see anyway. That's a contractor bag, and it was all the way to the top, and now I see it's laying down. I can see through the little holes there. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I don't hear anything. I think I'm just going to leave it sit for a little bit longer. You know, and I might not check it till after dark anyway. And I'd rather have the camper closed and Lucy-Lou inside, just in case, you know. Surely they're dead. That's not active anymore. I haven't been getting buzzed or anything. So. Temperature's cold though. It's only 45 degrees. So I'm supposed to be in the 50s. And it has been very, very windy. So I'm just gonna let it sit. This is bumpy, but not near as bumpy as that Kubota tractor, I can tell you that. Yeah, that's for sure. I got to change batteries in this one over here. This one hasn't been active. We're running out of batteries. I'll bring you back. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not, but look, there's a sap, or it might be the battery's leaking. I don't see any leakage, but there's definitely, I don't know, something in there, some liquid. Yeah, maybe the battery is leaking. Look at that. And I just caught it early. I don't know. I'm going to wipe it out. I really need to take it back and wash it out. I think that's what I'm going to do. I can't tell you how much I missed this old four-wheeler when it was down. I depend on it a lot. I really do. And it is nice not to have it smelling of raw gas, leaking raw gas. And it seems like it runs so much better. Of course, you know, you got to run better without a mouse nest in your carburetor. And that's true. Yeah, they come in through the through the tank and through the air intake and built a nest down in there. But I couldn't see. It must have sucked some debris in there or something and was holding the float. I couldn't see what was holding the float. But the float's not stuck anymore, so something was in there. Something caused a problem. Listen, it's fixed. I'm happy. I'm out for now. Got a lot of things to do. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.